So what's up guys, Maxwell here and you've been watching TechMax HD. In this video, we will be unboxing the Realme C1 and have a hands-on review. Before moving on to the video, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon for more videos and interesting tech contents. I did not get any free unit or review unit from any brands. I bought this phone from Flipkart. If you are not familiar with Flipkart, it is an Indian e-commerce website. The Realme C1 comes with a plain white box which looks pretty good. At the bottom of the phone, they have given a specification overview. 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera, the screen size of 6.2 inches and it weighs about 170 grams. They have given the MRP as 9,000 rupees but I bought this phone for about 7,000 rupees. The battery size of this phone is 4230 mAh. In the back of the box, the color and the memory variant of this phone is given. Yes, I have a mirror black variant with 16GB of storage and 2GB of RAM. As I open the box, there is a package at the top. Let's keep it aside and have a look at the phone. The phone is covered by semi-transparent cover on all sides. Wait a minute, let's see what's on the package that we kept aside. Whoa, there is a transparent silicone case which feels good. Now what else they have given in the box? A normal 5W power adapter. To be precise about the charger, there is no Realme branding in it, it is just a Oppo charger. Then they have given a micro USB cable, yeah you heard it right, there is no USB Type-C port. Let's peel off the semi-transparent cover from the phone. Whoa, that is definitely a good looking phone, at least for the price tag. Its reflective black almost looks like it is made of glass, but it is not. It is completely made of plastic. They have given a screen protector already included in the phone. Realme has done a great job here. You don't have to spend any money on buying cases and screen protector for this phone. Now let's power up the phone and complete the initial configuration wizard. And when it is done, you will be greeted with the custom UI which you might have already seen in other Realme and Oppo phones. Yes, the ColorOS. I am not a fan of ColorOS but I have planned to do a video on all the features of ColorOS, which will be up on our channel soon, so make sure to click the bell icon so that you don't miss it out. Coming back to the phone, they have given the power button at the right side of the phone and the volume rockers at the left side, as well as the micro USB port at the bottom. If you want to buy a cheapest possible phone with a notch, this might be your only choice. Now let's put on the case that comes with the box. This case fits perfectly and there is not much of an increase in thickness. The most impressive thing in this phone is its optimizations. Even though this phone comes with a 2GB of RAM in it, it is optimized enough to handle the day-to-day tasks in use. The octa-core Snapdragon 450 chipset handles all the regular day-to-day performance tasks you put on it. The next thing is its camera. They have given a dual camera setup on this phone, a 13 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. From the initial impressions, the camera in this phone is pretty good. We'll wait for the full review of this phone to know more about the camera quality. Speaking of its display, this phone comes with a 6.2 inches IPS LCD panel and the resolution in this display is just 720 pixels. The display looks good with that notch on it. And another good thing is most apps are optimized for the notch. The face unlock in this phone is also good. It uses the front facing camera for the face unlock and there is no fingerprint scanner. Yeah, in this price tag, the fingerprint scanner is the only compromise they are making here. The back of the phone is little slippery, so I would suggest you to use the phone with the case put on. If you are not a notch person, you can also check the review of the Redmi C1 on our channel, which is also in the same price point. So that's all in this unboxing video. The full review of this phone will be up on our channel in a few days. Stay tuned for that, subscribe, turn on notification. Until next time, I'm Maxwell, goodbye.